Moto-vlogging setup. Sure, no problem.
Hey guys, this is Rakesh here. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're safe. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your GoPro for vlogging. Basically, you will need a helmet, a GoPro case, a microphone, GoPro mic adapter, and a chin strap. So let's quickly get to that. I'm going to start with mounting the chin strap. While I'm doing that, go subscribe to the channel. So this is how you set it up. Let's move to the GoPro now. I'm using a Ulanzi case to set this up. You could use your normal case as well, but just managing this adapter becomes extremely messy. With this, it's just you could insert that here and forget about that completely. This has a press and a push mechanism. Always ensure before you insert your GoPro, the side cap is removed. That's it. It's completely steady and you're all good to go. I always ensure I set up my mic before I mount the GoPro. One last step, connect your mic and you're all set to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to share.